Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to dive into how to create a QR code for your business. Head to Google and search for QR code generator. Click on this particular site. Now here is the site. You can create a QR code to open a link, email, text, call, SMS or WhatsApp message. Let's use WhatsApp. Now if you create a QR code for our WhatsApp, that means anybody that scans the code, after doing that, it will direct them to your DM in WhatsApp. So you need to input your number, your business number, if you know you want to use it for business. Input your number. Then you click the message you want them to send to you first, like welcome message. Maybe you want to buy your product or something like that. Then click on generate code. Now this is your code. Also, you can make some other options by changing the code color, text and everything. You can add your logo into the code menu. After doing it, you can click on download. Then you can download as PNG or SVG. Now we need to test it. Go back to Google, then search QR code scanner. Click on scan now. Let's drop the QR code we generate. Now click on copy results. Go back to Google. Then paste the result we scan and search. Here it leads us to WhatsApp. This is the message we type in. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you all in the next video.